Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log out Facebook from all devices. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. First of all, what you have to do is simply open the Facebook app, and at the top right corner right below your messenger icon there is a profile icon. Simply tap on that. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the gear icon right beside your magnifying glass icons at the top right corner. Simply tap on that. Now what you have to do is tap on the see more in account center option. Simply tap on that. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this password and security option in this account settings section. Now what you have to do is tap on this where you're logged in option. Simply tap on it. Now it will show all the options. Now all you have to do is tap on the Facebook logo that is on the profile icon of your screen, that is at the top. This one is where Facebook logo is there. Tap on it. After that it will show you the logins on all other devices. Now simply scroll down and tap on this select devices to log out. Tap on the select devices to log out. Now tap on select all to select all the devices from your Facebook logged ins. Now tap on logout at the bottom. Now after tapping logout, it will ask you, are you sure? You will no longer be logged in on the selected devices. Tap on logout and you will be logged out from all your Facebook devices. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, so please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.